I found one of the strangest YouTube channels on YouTube. A channel with a badly drawn primitive monkey as its entire brand. Yet it has over 42,000 subscribers, with only 32 videos, pulling in more than 2.2 million total views. The channel is brand new. The first video was uploaded just 3 months ago, and somehow its videos regularly hit 400,000 to 900,000 views, while being only 2 to 5 minutes long. No music, no sound effects, no fancy editing, just a single static image of a monkey, one sentence at a time.
Floppy banana. This big problem. No wood in morning is first sign of low testosterone. Testosterone is foundation of male.
And despite all that, this channel is estimated to be making $2,000 to $5,000 per month. If you think this is all just luck, search for these channels. So what are you waiting for to start making money on YouTube in 2026? While smarter creators earn quietly, lazily, and in silence, and you're still just consuming videos? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this works, and how you can build a channel just like this from scratch. Before anything, let's simplify the niche. This channel is not about a monkey, and it's not about editing or visuals. It's about male self-optimization explained through biology, discipline, and status, using extremely simple content. Testosterone, focus, sleep, sexual control, and fixing the silent weaknesses most men already have. This channel doesn't win because of editing. It wins because every title hits a biological insecurity most men already have but never talk about. To make this easy for you, I left you a free Notion file that contains every single prompt, command, and tool mentioned in this video, already organized and ready to use. Open the Notion file. Go to step 1. Copy the prompt exactly as it is. Open ChatGPT. Paste it in. Then go to the reference channel. Copy all the video titles without changing anything. Paste them into the placeholder inside the prompt. Press enter, and you'll instantly get 20 new video ideas in the exact same niche, built on the same psychological triggers that made this channel blow up. And from that list, I will choose this one. Before we continue, I actually want your help for a second. I'm thinking about launching a brand new channel in this same niche, but with a different animal character. I'm hesitating between a donkey, a lion, a mouse, or a sloth. Which one do you think would get more views and why? Drop your opinion in the comments. I'll read them all. Let's now create the script for the video based on the title you just selected. You're not trying to be creative here, and you're not trying to sound smart. You're simply turning one strong idea into a sequence of calm, direct sentences that speak to one person. Open the Notion file again and move to the second section where the script prompt is already prepared for you. Copy it exactly as it is. Then open ChatGPT and paste it in. Then copy the title and paste it into the placeholder inside the prompt and press enter. What you get back is not an article, and it's not a motivational speech. It's already a voiceover script written as long, separate lines, one clear idea per line, designed to be read slowly and paired with a single static image. At this point, you don't edit, you don't rewrite, and you don't add anything, because the power of this format comes from simplicity and repetition, and this is exactly how channels like this are built quietly, while everyone else keeps overthinking. And now that you have the script ready, let's generate the images for each section. This part is simple, completely free, and done entirely with AI. Open your Notion page and copy the image generation prompt you prepared earlier. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste that prompt directly below your script. Take the full script made of separate lines and paste it into the placeholder inside the prompt. Then press enter, and you'll get one short image prompt for every single line of your script, all starting with the same character reference to keep the style locked. Copy the first image prompt, open Whisk, and before generating anything, upload the reference image of your monkey character from the Notion file, so Whisk understands exactly which character to keep consistent. Once the reference image is uploaded, paste the image prompt, generate the image, then move to the next prompt and repeat the exact same process. One line, one image, the same character every time, the same primitive style, no improvements and no extra details, until every section of your script has its own visual and your entire video is built step by step using nothing but text, a single reference image, and AI. Keep the Whisk page as is. The images are in order. Now let's move to the voiceover stage. Go back to your script, then copy the entire script from top to bottom. Open the 11 Labs website and use the free version, because as a beginner you don't need anything paid at this stage. Link in description. Paste your full script into the text box, then start testing the available voices one by one. Listen carefully and choose a voice that sounds calm, confident, and natural, not too dramatic and not robotic. Once you've picked the voice that fits your channel, click generate, wait a few seconds, then download the audio file and save it on your computer. This audio file will become the backbone of your video, and everything you created before, images and visuals, will now be synced directly to this voiceover. Now to finish, open the free CapCut program. Import the voiceover. Drag it to the back. Zoom in to see the voiceover details. Go to text, then click Auto Caption, Generate. Wait a few seconds, and you will get the same complete script with the voiceover. This helps you to select the clips and lines. You can save it at the end of the editing process. It's optional. Go back to the Wisp page, choose the image for the first line from the two options, and click Download. Return to CapCut. Import the image and place it over the voiceover. Adjust the image length to fit the first line. Repeat this process until you have finished all the clips. And that's it. No effects, no music, no cutting or editing. Just simplicity, which is the secret to the success of the channels we started with. Now, export to 4K if possible. And here we are.
Sugar is not neutral to your mind. It pushes your blood up and crashes your focus down. When your energy spikes fast, your control leaves just as fast. A leader needs steady force, not sudden pleasure. Sugar trains your brain to chase reward instead of purpose. Each sweet hit lowers your tolerance for effort. You feel good quickly, then weak for hours. Your body learns that comfort comes first. Comfort always comes with a cost. High sugar dulls your senses and slows your reaction.
Are you still thinking about it? How long are you going to keep watching videos while other people quietly make money in the strangest, simplest ways possible? You already saw the system. You already know it works. The only difference now is whether you act or close this video and forget everything. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and tell me in the comments what you think about this kind of channel.